Okay, so we're back, and I want to take a look at doing example 2b. Let's sort of quarantine this off so it stays up out of the way from what I'm working on. So what I have here is I need to expand. So I'll rewrite this so I got a little bit of breathing room. -2, x minus 1, x minus 4. So we'll expand the binomials first. That'll give us -2, x squared minus 4x minus 1x plus 4, which will be -2, x squared minus 5x plus 4, which is -2x squared plus 10x minus 8. And that's just expanding the -2 into the three terms. So once again, we have standard form, and we have factored form up here. Okay, so what do we know? Well, you know that a is less than 0, so it opens down. I know that my c value is -8, so it's going to cross at 0, -8. That's my y-intercept. What else do I know? Well, I know some x-intercepts. I know that I've got an x-intercept at 4. I've got an x-intercept at 1. This 0, -8's down here. And I need my axis of symmetry. It looks like my axis of symmetry is going to go right down the middle here. So I can use a little bit of algebra to help me with that. Axis of symmetry is going to be x equals 1 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 5/2, which is 2.5, which is this value right here, 2.5. That's my axis of symmetry. If I want to know my y value for my vertex, what I do is I'm going to plug in f of 2.5. Now it doesn't matter whether I put it in here or I put it in up here. They're both going to work. So -2, 2.5 minus 1, 2.5 minus 4. So that's going to equal -2, 1.5, -1.5. That's going to equal 4.5. So my vertex is going to be 2.5, 4.5. So it's possible to get decimals. It's not a big deal. Here's 4. There's 5. So 4.5 would be here. That'll be my vertex. So this is going to come down and go through here. Now this distance is the same as this distance, which means that this point is going to make it symmetrical. So this point is also on my curve. So I'm going to come down, I'm going to come down, and I have my second curve, which I can write in standard form, -2 x squared plus 10x minus 8. And there you go. So that was example 2b. I'll stop here and then we'll do example 3.